District Council February meeting underway, and please could I ask Councillor Truman from Mangakino to give us a blessing for the day. Thank you, Councillor Truman.
I te atua ka harawa kia tatamai koe ki a mātou I tēnei rā, manaaki te a mātou mahi katoa, I runga I te ingoa, o te matua, o te tama, o te wairua tapu, ake ake, āmene.
Thank you very much, Councillor Truman. And just to remember everyone, we're going live stream today around the world, hopefully, and to locals who can't make it today. So if we can all have our speakers on and talk nice and clearly into the microphones, will be great. Are we underway, Lisa? Yeah, cool. Just before I go to apologies, I'd like to call on a minute's silence for Mr. Don Campbell from Turangi, previous Deputy Chair of the Community Board and long-standing Community Board member. Don unfortunately passed away on Saturday, I think it was Saturday, but myself and Barry, I know, worked with Don. Not too sure if anyone else knew Don, but he was a great advocate for that particular area and hard worker. So we could just have a minute's silence now just to remember Don, whose service is right at this moment. So that's why Councillor Stewart is away. She's representing us down there today. So thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Right, item 1 is on the order of business today. There's apologies, and we have them from Councillor Stewart, Councillor Kingi, otherwise a full house. Could I have a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried.